Hello and welcome to our channel Reddoorarchitects. If you're ready to learn SketchUp but are struggling to decide where to start, this video is for you. By the end of the video, you will understand its interface and try out various models on your own. So let's get into it. On the top, these are basic toolbars which will help you build your models. First, we will talk about the line toolbar. If you type L on the keyboard, the tool will activate. Click it, drag it, click and escape. You got a line. Again, if you click, you can create any shape. Other option is freehand line. What you will do is click and drag, you get a line. Again, click and drag, close, you get a shape. Second is the arc. The shortcut is A. But we have 3 or 4 options here, so let's check it out. Just click it and arc is here using its radius. Again, 2-point arc. Click it and you can decide its curvature. With 3-point arc, it's the same. Click it and it is like pi. Just decide its curve. Next is the rectangle or circle toolbar. Arc for rectangle on the keyboard. Click it, drag and click. You get a rectangle or a square, whatever you require. C for circle on the keyboard. Again, click it, drag and click while deciding the radius. If you want with the dimension, click it, type in the dimension and you get a circle. Next tool you are familiar with is offset, same as AutoCAD. Just lock in the red dot on the edge. Click it, drag depending on the thickness you require. You will see surfaces are divided now. Shape inside shape divides the surface. You can also do it in dimension. Again, lock in the red dot, drag and type in the dimension. The other very fun and important tool here is push and pull. If you press P on the keyboard, this will activate the option. Select a surface, click it, push it up and down. With this, you leave it up. Select the other surface, pull it out. Now before moving forward, do like and subscribe to our channel so that we keep bringing you more fun videos. Now let's take a look at Orbit, Pan and Zoom tool. Scroll here works for zooming in and out. O on the keyboard activates the Orbit tool. It changes the angle of the camera. Now you can see only the angle is changing, but we cannot move it in different direction. Here, we activate edge on the keyboard, that is pan tool. Now by using both orbit and pan tool, we can adjust the scene. If we look at this hollow cylinder, it has individual surfaces. Make it act like a single entity. Just select it, right click and click on the components option. Now, if you see, this selection is acting like a single cylinder. If you want to repeat or just divide one set of model from the other, just select it, right click and click on the group option. If I select M on the keyboard, I can move this group around. There is the option rotate. If I select it, place it on the surface, I can rotate the object. You can select the plane you want to rotate it, the red, blue or green axis, by pressing the up, left and right arrow key on the keyboard. To make this work, click on the surface by deciding a fixed point you want to rotate from, drag it, click and rotate. Now, if you wanted to ungroup or remove the component from an entity, just select it, right click and explode. You can also find materials to render your model on the right side. If you cannot find it, go to Windows or Trick and select whatever options you want. You will get various options to select from bricks, colors, glass, brass, tiles. This select a material, bucket tool will activate and paint the surface of the model. You can change the dimension of the material from edit. Last is the 3D warehouse. Here you can download anything. You can also scale the object. Press S on the keyboard, scale will activate. Click on a point and drag. So I'm sure you're ready to start with SketchUp. Just take out your laptop, start modeling now. Take it as a fun activity. We are also going to share a beginner to advanced SketchUp tutorials, so stay tuned.